How to delete account on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually delete your account on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove an account from YouTube and then use YouTube signed out, which means you don't want to log into your YouTube account from the YouTube app, right? You have to open the YouTube app first. You can see I'm logged in, as you can see my profile picture. So I just need to tap on the settings icon from the top right. So you can see my Google account is logged in. So if I don't want to log into YouTube, then what I will do is, first of all, I'll just go to settings. Once I go to settings, if I just go to all these options over here, you can see all this. Or else what you can do is just tap on it. Tap on this manage Google account option here, and then here you'll find the option called use YouTube signed out. So all you need to do is just tap on use YouTube signed out, and then you can see my YouTube account will be logged out successfully. Now if I want, I can go ahead and sign into my YouTube app. This is simply how you can delete account on YouTube or remove it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.